I never want a ground floor. If that's where the water is going to end, remember, gravity goes down, it's going to be the low floor. So let me show you around, and I guess I'm you can see me, so I'll have to. Hi everyone, this is Cheryl Seco, and I'm actually traveling from the background. You can see that I'm not in the United States. I'm actually in Lyon, France, and a lot of people who follow me are working on water damage and mold, and yes, it's everywhere in every country. And you can see behind me the evidence of where water might be getting into walls. A lot of these things are actually probably pretty drafty and breathing well, but some of them aren't. Some of them are moldy, and on our journey, I'm going to be gone for 2 weeks. We're going to find some moldy places. Probably right now we're not. How do we do this? I'm with my husband. My daughter actually lives in France. Has been living in France for the past couple of years. But we like having her as a tour guide, and it's a great opportunity for us to get to see another country where we don't speak the language, but she does. We stay in Airbnbs when we travel a lot. Not always, but a lot we do. Definitely in Europe, we've been staying in Airbnbs. Some countries have their own systems, and we've done that in other countries. Generally, we've had great experiences. I always look for clean. Number one, clean. And 5 stars in clean, and I look for comments that mention clean, and then I scrutinize the pictures like I'm doing a home inspection. And some of you know what I do. I do video and photo virtual inspections. I can find a lot of things, and through these travels I'll find some more, and I'll show you what's going on in France while we're here. And but so anyway, I can give you a little tour of the Airbnb where we're staying, where you can see the kinds of places we stay in. This one is fine, I think, in terms of mold. It's got big windows. You can see what's outside the window. Yep, probably some mold out there, but also keep your mind in a good place, that you're not going to be stressed out about that, because I'm not stressed out about it because I'm not living in those buildings. Does this building have something? Possibly. However, it's also, we're at the top. It was a lot of stairs to get up here, and so water goes down. So one of the tips that I recommend for renters, or for if you're looking to stay in an Airbnb even, is high floors are probably going to be better than low floors. And I never want a ground floor. If that's where the water is going to end, remember, gravity goes down, it's going to be the low floor. So let me show you around, and I guess you can see me, so I'll have to, okay, behind me, it's like, so there's 3 windows here. This is really, really small. There's a little table for all of us. It's my husband's suitcase. There's a wall here. There's a couch, a wall, and there's a bed behind the wall. That's where we slept. It's basically like a bowling alley, if I can give you the whole tour. But you can see that there's a lot of good windows, and they do open. And yeah, it's a bowling alley. So, but it works for us. I'll show you the kitchen. There's some things really unusual with this apartment that they've done a great job with the layout. So I do have to go downstairs to go to the kitchen, and this little. You see this teeny tiny door right here? Right there? That's actually the door to the toilet, the bathroom, which is just a toilet here. A shower is basically in the kitchen, and the kitchen sink is the sink. So, but I'll show you the smallest toilet in the world, bathroom in the world. The toilet's normal size. If I open this up, maybe I can get further back so you can see how tiny, tiny that is. They do say in their advertisement that it, let's see if I can make it. There's the toilet, there's the wall, and there's the other stuff. So it is really, really, that's how wide the door is. It might be 13 inches, 15 inches. It's really small. They do advertise in the listing that you can't be heavy or big to fit in this toilet room in the bathroom. So they're right. They're accurate on that. My kitchen. So this is getting long, so I need to keep going here. So that's what we're kitchen. So we have. I brought my European smoothie maker, and we bought a watermelon. We bought bananas. I brought grapes from home. Good thing because they don't have any here. I drink Young Living and Jared every day, and they have travel packs. I have some grape juice, 100% pure bio. That means it's non-GMO and bio. Watermelon, we found some apricots at the bio store, and I'm washing blueberries. So this is a kitchen window behind me. Oh, there you see, it's a view of a courtyard. I don't want to drop my phone, but down there is where we came in, and more buildings. You can hear the bells. We're definitely in Europe. Then this behind me is the door out, right there. And we go over here. This is the shower in the kitchen. So the challenge was that there was no covering over the window. My daughter noticed when she got out of the shower, but there's no windows out there. So, and then if I show you, my daughter actually has a bed that is up in a tower, up those stairs, way to the top. And the way we came in was down those stairs. So I think for residential buildings, there's no building codes in France because there's not a lot about this that would match United States building codes, but we don't have buildings that are hundreds of years old that we're actually using. So given what they have to work with, they're doing really well. This is Lyon. This is our Airbnb. It smells fine. So many open windows that we can take advantage of. So I think we're good. It has hardwood floors. Hardwood floors. The other thing I look for when I'm looking for an Airbnb is I don't want any carpeting. Any carpeting. So this one does fit the bill. We're happy with our place. And we feel good, and we're going to go walk around. Basically, be spending most of our day outside. We'll be looking for Buddha bowls and organic salads. If you'd like to schedule an appointment, if you'd like a consultation, I will be back and go ahead and schedule that online at my website, avoidingmold.com. Also, I have several videos, webinars that were live. They had great reviews. They've had great reviews from professionals as well. They're jam-packed with educational information, including the fundamentals of what you need to know, what everybody needs to know about water damage and mold in buildings. So feel free to jump onto my website and find those webinars. In almost every case, they're at least an hour of jam-packed information that you probably haven't heard anywhere else. So I have made those recorded. They're very inexpensive right now. So jump in, and I will see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.
If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe. For more free information on safe building, avoiding mold, and water damage, visit avoidingmold.com.